Come on.
What happened? Dia del Madre is on Sunday.
Dad, you're supposed to open the carpet on Viernes.
Dearness, but Dia del Madre is Sunday. I'm supposed to open my gift on Sunday. Why are you crying?
Because you're not listening to me.
Melissa told you to give the gift on Friday. What about give it on Sunday because it's Dia del Madre? It's
No.
tomorrow.
But no school day.
But you have it in your bag. It's okay? Can you give it on Sunday?
No, because that's the Dia del Madre.
The carpet is for...
Viernes, you should open it on Viernes.
Okay, I'm sorry. Can you show it to me, please?
It's right there in the bag.
Okay, give it to me, please. Don't cry. It's okay. Come on, you can show it to me now. Can you please get it?
Close your eyes. No peeking.
Can I open now?
Yes.
Can I open my eyes now? Can I guess it? Ano de? Can I guess it? Is it something...
Come on.
Is it something blue?
No.
Come here. I'm not peeking. Is it something nice? Is it for Dia del Madre?
Yes.
Is it for me?
Yes.
Wow! Is it blue my favorite color?
No.
Oh, can you give me a clue, please? Is something fluffy?
No.
It's something
I-
colorful?
No, it got two colors.
It got two colors?
Melissa put one color in this hand and then put it on. And then the other one on this hand. And then Melissa put it on and then...
Can I open my eyes now? Is it something nice?
Yeah. And Melissa painted this.
Is it for Dia del Madre? Oh, is it a makeup? Is it a toy for me? Is it a... I know. Is it a card? Wow, I got a card for Dia de la Madre.
But you need to guess what's the picture.
Oh, can you give a clue, please? Can you give me a clue, please?
Melissa put one paint. She painted like this.
Is it a surprise?
Melissa painted like this on my hand and then I did this.
You put a handprint?
And then on another one, Melissa painted it like this. Then finished and Melissa painted this.
Come on.
Okay, I give up. Can I have it now? Please, I'm so excited. Yay!
You need to guess.
Is it a card? I already guessed it.
But you need to guess what's the picture.
Is it Christy on it?
It's
Is
in
it-
the back.
Is it your hands on it?
Nope. It looks...
It's a kid.
It's a clue.
Give me a clue.
I already gave you a clue.
Is it a card with a handprint? Is it a decoration for the house? Is it a bag? Mommy likes bag. Is it a pair of shoes? Mommy likes shoes. What is it? I give up,
Ta-da.
please.
Ta-da! And
Wow!
there's also something.
What is that? It's a blue heart?
And you can stick it. Here's
Wow!
my name.
Te quiero, Mama. Christine Nina.
And I put these stars.
Wow, you designed it? Oh, can I get a kiss? I love you. Thank you very much. You're so thoughtful. Can I have it? Wow, it's a flower for springtime.
A flower print.
A flower print. Wow,
Maybe
that's so
it's a
nice.
One yellow one here. And another one here.
That's so nice,
And Melissa
Christy.
painted
The stem.
the stamp.
It looks like a tulip. It's my favorite flower. Oh, thank you.
And you can stick this heart.
Te quiero, Mama means?
I want you so much, Mommy.
Wow. Talk to.
Love with the person.
It says I love.
No, you put it there for so I can see it every day.
Te quiero, Mama means I love you, Mama. Thank you. I love you too, my love. I love you so much. What about you?
Love you big as the sun.
Mm.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Why is it blue?
Because it's your favorite color.
Oh, so sweet. And it's sparkly.
Yeah, because it's in the bag.
What do you put in there? The
I think-
sparkly one.
Oh, that's silver dust.
Wow. So artistic.
The teachers put...
Did you
this
choose
is
the
like-
color?
No, Natalia said... Do you want blue? Blue is nice.
Oh, yes.
Natalia said-
And you should have told Natalia, yes, because it's my mommy's favorite color. Right?